Hi, I'm Dr. Shubhangi Gautam. I'm an assistant professor at LP Online and I teach MBA in finance.
Why is pursuing an online MBA in finance crucial for career growth in today's dynamic and competitive financial markets?
So, pursuing an online MBA in finance is essential for career growth as it builds strong financial knowledge and analytical skills, which is required in current evolving financial market. With continuous changes in market trends, companies need professionals who can handle challenges like market volatility, investment decisions, and risk management. For example, banks like Citibank and financial firms like PwC actively seek professionals with expertise in financial analysis and financial budgeting. This program allows students to continue working while gaining new skills, making it easier to get promotions and get new job opportunities.
How does this program prepare students to navigate the increasing impact of fintech and AI on the global financial landscape?
This program will help students to understand how technology is reshaping the financial industry. For example, banks like HDFC, ICICI, they are using AI for fraud detection and customer services, while platforms like Zerodha and Grow, they transform the online trading and investments. Through this MBA program, students will learn to analyze the financial data, use modern financial tools, and AI driven insights to make smarter decisions. This program makes them ready to work in finance roles where technology plays a big part.
In what ways does the curriculum integrate theoretical concepts with practical financial analysis to address real world financial challenges?
This MBA in finance blends theory with hands on applications to solve real financial problems. Students will learn about funding sources, investment strategies, and risk management, applying these concepts to understand how businesses raise funds through bonds, equity, and other financial instruments. Students will learn to develop financial models using Excel to predict companies' profit and cash flows. The curriculum includes case studies and industry projects covering stock market trends, investment planning, and business cost optimizations.
What kind of hands on exposure does the program offer to enhance financial decision making skills?
Well, with this program, students will get real world financial exposure through projects, internships, and financial simulations. Students analyze companies' financial statements, develop investment strategies, and work on live financial models to forecast revenues and optimize costs. Internships with banks and financial firms offers hands-on experience in loan assessment, risk analysis, and investment advisory.
How does the program help working professionals transition seamlessly into leadership roles in finance while managing their career and studies?
Well, the program is designed to be flexible and it allows professionals to study while continuing their jobs. It focuses on building leadership skills such as financial planning, decision making, and team management. Students working in banks can apply what they learned from the program to improve loan management strategies or develop investment solutions for clients. By applying these skills at work, students can gain recognitions for their problem solving abilities and transition into leadership roles more easily.
How does this MBA develop advanced skills like risk management, financial modeling, and investment strategy, making graduates indispensable in finance?
Okay, so the program includes specialized courses such as financial risk management, investment banking, security analysis, and portfolio management. So these subjects help students build expertise in risk assessment, financial modeling, and investment strategy. For example, in risk management, students learn how banks and firms identify and mitigate financial risks. In financial modeling, they create profit and cash flow models for revenue forecasting. These learnings will help students gain skills and make them valuable for roles in corporate finance, investment management, financial consultancy, etc.
Can an online MBA in finance from this program offer a global perspective, and how does it enhance understanding of international markets and financial regulations?
Yes, the program provides a global perspective on finance by covering international financial systems, regulations, and market trends. The curriculum also compares India's SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India, regulations with international financial bodies like US SEC, that is Securities and Exchange Commission. This understanding will help students manage global investments and make informed decisions for companies operating across multiple countries.
By specializing in finance through an MBA, a strategic move to align with current and future trends in the financial industry.
As companies face changes in market trends and technological advancements, they need finance experts who can make smart financial decisions. For example, some companies focuses on providing investment and wealth management solutions, requiring professionals who understand asset allocation and risk management. The program also prepares students to handle future trends like financial digitalization and global investments, making them ready for roles in both domestic as well as international financial markets.